Okay.
Look, we have fish now. I think madadami pa to kasi I think buntis sila.
What's the name? Name them.
Wala pa.
Oh, you...
Name them nga, right now.
Wala pa yung name.
Okay. Mag-isip ka na.
Wala.
That one is Gian, that one is Juliana, that one is JC.
Hindi.
That's good. That was a nice name.
Hindi. Dadami pa sila.
Why?
Kasi buntis sila laka yung big yung tummy
You should
nila.
speak in English. Why would they multiply?
They're
Because...
pregnant kasi.
They're pregnant.
Yeah.
Okay, will you feed them?
Yeah. Look on my for the potato. See?
Okay. Bye-bye.